So I just wanted to shoot this quick video to show you how the system works, how it processes eBay sales. So we just got this sale from eBay. It's we got all of these out of a mystery box, the Precision, the type of vitamin, eye vitamins. So we sold all 10 of them. So I was selling them as 2-packs. Someone bought all 5 2-packs, so they bought 10 units. They paid $120 for those. And so right now I'm going to go over to K2, which is over here, and I'm going to pull the items from my shelf. So you see K2, and they are somewhere here. There they are. Alright, so I need 10 of these. So I've got them on the shelf for $9.99, which is about 50% of retail. I should have probably brought something to carry these in. So 2, 4, 5. And you're probably wondering, how do I sell it on eBay and in store? And the way it works is if an item sells on my shelf, 2, 4, 6, 8, then so what I was saying was, when an item sells off my shelf, then the quantity is edited on eBay. So sometimes there's bugs because all of this that I've built is all custom, and so I want to show you what happens when there's a bug. So this isn't a huge deal. I'll just message the eBay buyer and tell them, you know, I'm missing 1 unit, and then I'll refund them the difference. But what's supposed to happen is, if I sell 1 unit from a 2-pack, then 1 2-pack unit will get removed from eBay automatically. So that didn't happen this time. And so what I'm doing now is I went over to my computer and I am talking to Claude, which is my AI that builds all of my tools for me. We work together to build all the software that I use. And so right now he is currently fixing it. So I came over here and I said, did one of these sell in the store? And then I pasted the UPC, and then it verified, yes, 1 sold in store on this date. And then it said what the item was, when it was listed, how many were listed. In-store sales was 1 unit, then the eBay sale. So it actually picked up on the eBay sale. Then it said, heads up, there's a possible oversell between the in-store sale and the eBay sale. There are a 5-hour gap during which cron should have pulled. But anyway, so you get the idea. So I asked it 1 question, and now the AI understands that there's a problem and an oversell. And I said, yes, you need to fix it, and now it's fixing the problem. So hopefully this doesn't happen again, but I just wanted to show you how this works. It's pretty incredible what you can do with AI right now. We've built a full custom software for our store, and it does so many different things. And this is just one of those things. But anyway, so we sold we sold all of these. We'll probably net about $80 on these. This was one of a lot of items that came out of 1 box. So that was a very profitable box for us. And yeah, I'll get some more box opening videos out shortly.